at this one here from this plane. Plane's left this behind. It goes all the way over there, all the way past the sun, all the way down there like that. But if you look at these planes up here, they're not doing that. There's another one here, look. You can't tell me that's normal, because it goes all the way from down there all the way up here, and it's left this cloud behind like that. I can't see because the sun's there in my eyes. But it goes all the way from that horizon all the way to that horizon. And if you zoom in a bit over here, you can see it goes down direction and goes that way. You can see this plane here is only leaving a little one behind it. Nowhere near like that. I know that's higher up, but I'm trying to find another one that's only leaving a little one. There's one coming over here above this somewhere. Oh, there it is there, look. That's high up. It's only leaving a little one behind it. See that? I can't see because of the sun. See a plane there. Not leaving anything behind it, that one. There's this one here, look. It's not leaving anything behind it, that one. And let's slow down. How come some don't and some do? I do not consent, not in my name, that they're doing this. More here, look. There's one here leaving one eye up, quite long. See this one over here? Now that's a contrail, because it's, look how quickly it's disappearing behind the plane. It's not lingering, it's not staying for long. They're ice crystals, that's a contrail as far as I know. But if that's a contrail because they disappear quickly, then what the hell are these? I've got my suspicions, but I'm not going to go into that because I've not really got evidence that that's what they are, but you know what I mean? Whatever they are, I don't consent to it. I don't agree and I don't consent. Not in my name.